Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my MaxNova hot pink beanie, which I love. It looks super cute on, and for this winter season, I've been definitely using this beanie quite often. It's super thick material, so it really keeps my head warm, and I love to use it when I go to ski or when I just simply go like to a very cold town, or here where I live, it also gets like super cold. So this really looks very cute, like with the leather jacket, and it just looks super stylish. The material is like super thick, and it's just like super cute, and I just love this beanie. The hot pink, let me just tell you, gives some spice to my outfits, and they have this like in literally every single color. So if you're looking for a high quality beanie for like any kind of winter season use and any kind of color as well, definitely check these out. I love the quality of these beanies. Like, it's super thick, and yeah, I just love my beanie. I feel like I look very cute wearing it. So yeah guys, if you are looking for a high quality beanie that keeps your head warm and looks super cute with all of your outfits, definitely check this brand out. I really like it.